guys, welcome back to Guarantee RV. My name is Emily McKinnon. Today I'm going to take you on a closer look at this pre-owned 2017 Sunseeker. This is the 2290 models by Forest River. Come on inside, let's take a quick look. It's a great floor plan. If you're looking for a nice small coach that's easy to drive, this is a great gas model. It's only about 23 feet in length from the bumper to the tip of the cab. Beautiful woodwork up here that they did. I love the nice dark cabinets. You've got a nice large U-shaped booth, really great for families if you're traveling with little ones or if you're just traveling with some friends. You can play cards. You got a nice big beautiful window to let in that extra light, and this is actually with the slide out in, and I have this much space in my RV, and I really love that about this floor plan. When the slide out is out, the slide out goes from here to the end of the cabinet to here behind the couch, so it's a nice full wall slide, and it's going to give you even more walking space when it's out. So I encourage you to come check that out in person and experience it for yourself. So here we've got, again, I love the woodwork. We've got a nice deep closet space, nice and wide. They provide you some kind of a rail for all of your hangers. Couple drawers underneath there. With this one, the sink is on the outside of the restroom, and you do have a medicine cabinet up above there. So it's a two-piece restroom. Okay, and up front, you can have the option to make this into one large bed. Previous owners had some twin mattresses that we just kept. They were, I find it very unique. If you've got a couple kiddos, they each have lookout windows that they can look at the stars at, and I think that's one of the best features of a Class C, is just to have your kids and your guests stay up there and have a good time. It is on a Ford engine, and we've got a nice little kitchen space here. We've got a flip-up counter for some extra chopping space. I really like these nice round sinks. You have all the ample room in the world to clean your pots and pans. They also provide you with a 3-burner stove instead of a 2 in, kind of a shorter amount of space. A lot of times you'll just get a 2-burner stove. Here you got a nice 3-piece gas stove. And this in the back, people sometimes ask me what this is. This is actually a place to store some of your knives. So that's what I would use it for. It's a knife storage place to keep them out of the reach of the kids. You do have a gas burning oven in this coach. And then you've got a traditional microwave. Kitchen cabinets up above and down below here. You've got a couple of drawers. Plenty of space for a quick little camping trip if you're just looking to get out for a nice long weekend. And this TV, it's on a swivel, so you can pull it out and watch some TV while you're here on the nice U-shaped diner. I do want to point out it is a corner bed model, but I did want to point out that it's kind of a larger corner bed. A lot of corner beds that I see, they're quite small. This is nice and a little bit larger. You've got a nice big window for some sunlight. Tons of drawers up there. Turn on the light here. Tons of drawers up here, or cabinets, just to store those extra items. You do have a privacy curtain to close off when you're sleeping. With this one, you do have a full automatic awning. So it provides you lots of nice shade. You've got tons of storage cabinet here. This is actually a nice pass-through storage. Spare tire in the back there. You've got your 30 amp connection. All of your water connections are going to be on this side. Sewer connections are going to be right here. Again, just a great coach. It does have an awning topper, or for your slide, a slide topper. So I encourage you again to just come out and see this one in person. If you're looking for a nice small coach, this is a great gas model, the Sunseeker. It's a pre-owned 2017, so it's not going to stay on the lot for long. I encourage you to come and drive it yourself and take a look inside. My name is Emily McKinnon here at Guarantee RV, 541-998-1148. My extension is 2519, and until I see you, enjoy the road.